to learn about usage of is, am, are. Where to use is, where we are using am, and where we are using are. So in this video we are going to cover that. So let's go. So already we have here, and we are going to learn and where are we using is, am, are. So I have written already subjects here. So for am we are using am, and for these three, we, you, they, we are using are, and for is, he, she, it, we are using is. So where we are using this is? When the action is going on, ongoing actions in the present situation, we are using is, am, are. So then how to use that? So let us have some sentences and you will understand properly. So let us have, we can have it. So when we are using is, am, are, action verb is must with ing form. Let us then, what is ing form? I am going to tell you now. So now, what is the ing form of teach? Will be teaching. Which word has ing? The verb ing. That is, that verb we are using when we use is, am, are. So let us make a sentence. So I am rubbing this and I am going to show you. Okay, so let's start. I am going to school. So this very easy sentence I have written. So this ongoing action, I am going to school means I am going to school. So now, so this is subject. This is helping verb. What helping verb we are going to learn today. And this is verb which is ing. Now this is subject. Understand? Now just make it. We are going to school. Now we is also subject. Understand? This is how we are. Now make one more sentence. So the next sentence is he is going to school. Already I have told you, right? For he, she, it, we have to use is. Getting it? So this is how. Okay, now we can make different sentences. We can take one more subject. They. Which verb we should use? Are. Here. They are going to school. Understand? So like this we are using is, am, are, and we are having many sentences. Not only going, they are teaching, I am going, I am eating, I am sleeping, I am running, right? I am attending, I am constructing, I am using, so I am visiting. So there are many sentences we can use which is ing verb. So this is what the today's video, and where to use is, am, are, and the next video we are coming with usage of have and has. So till then, take care, bye bye, thank you so much.